Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoodTech 360. In this video, we are doing FoodTech quiz number 25, topic horticulture. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing free live classes for Kerala PhD exam and other competitive exams. So if you are looking for a government job, Unacademy is the best place for the preparation. So download Unacademy learning app from the Play Store and log into the app and choose your required course to unlock free classes. Click on free live classes from the dashboard. After that, it will ask for a referral code. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. The variety of mango is monoembryonic in India and polyembryonic in Florida. Options: A. Langra, B. Deshahari, C. Malgoa, D. Rumani. Correct answer: C. Malgoa. Question number 2. Which variety of mango having highest TSS? Options: A. Chosa, B. Fazli, C. Kesar, D. Xavier. Correct answer: D. Xavier. Question number 3. Cross between the Sindhu is options: A. Neelam and Alfonso, B. Ratna and Alfonso, C. Deshahari and Neelam, D. Rumani and Neelam. Correct answer: B. Ratna and Alfonso. Question number 4. Ripe banana contain dash percentage of sugar. Options: A. 22, B. 25, C. 26, D. 27. Correct answer: D. 27. Question number 5. Desuckering once in dash days is common practice in banana cultivation. Options: A. 25 days, B. 35 days, C. 45 days, D. 55 days. Correct answer: C. 45 days. Question number 6. In banana, tetrazolium test is done for detection of which disease? Options: A. Panama wilt, B. Sigatoka, C. Bunchy top disease, D. None of these. Correct answer: C. Bunchy top disease. Question number 7. Diploid banana variety. Options: A. Monthan, B. Dwarf Cavendish, C. Nendran, D. Ladyfinger. Correct answer: D. Ladyfinger. Question number 8. Which variety of papaya produce no male plants? Options: A. Pusa delicious, B. Pusa majesty, C. Sunrise solo, D. Coorg honeydew. Correct answer: C. Sunrise solo. Question number 9. Which variety of papaya has the highest papain yield? Options: A. Pusa delicious, B. Pusa majesty, C. Pusa giant, D. Pusa dwarf. Correct answer: B. Pusa majesty. Question number 10. Guava is harvested throughout the year except options: A. July to August, B. Jan to Feb, C. April to May, D. December to January. Correct answer: C. April to May. Question number 11. Guava wilt is most common in options: A. Alkali soils, B. Saline soils, C. Acidic soils, D. Neutral soils. Correct answer: A. Alkali soils. Question number 12. Benting in Goa is practiced in which state? Options: A. Maharashtra, B. West Bengal, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer: A. Maharashtra. Question number 13. Which of the following variety of guava is most popular in Bihar? Options: A. Allahabad Safeda, B. Chittidar, C. Hafsi, D. Harija. Correct answer D. Harija. Question number 14. Custard apple contains sugar of options A 10%, B 20%, C 30%, D 40%. Correct answer B 20%. Question number 15. Largest fruit grown in India is options A mango, B citrus fruits, C jackfruit, D custard apple. Correct answer C jackfruit. Question number 16. Ideal time of planting in grape is options A January, B June, C August, D October. Correct answer D October. Question number 17. Short berries in grape is caused due to the deficiency of options A potassium, B phosphorus, C boron, D calcium. Correct answer C boron. Question number 18. The element deficiency is universal in grape is options A magnesium, B calcium, C potassium, D zinc. Correct answer A magnesium. Question number 19. Which of the following acid is commercially extracted from grapes? Options A citric acid, B malic acid, C oxalic acid, D tartaric acid. Correct answer D tartaric acid. Question number 20. Which of the following variety is the ruling grape variety which occupies 55% of the area with its clone? Options A Thompson seedless, B Anam e Sahi, C Delight, D Perlette. Correct answer A Thompson seedless. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. The series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian Constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam, one topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. All Kerala ranking for the test would be provided if you take up the test live. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. The test paper would be available in Malayalam only. Question number 21. Swaran Ruba is the commercial variety of options A. Litchi, B. Lockout, C. Burr, D. Apple. Correct answer A. Litchi. Question number 22. In pomegranate, more incidence of fruit cracking takes place in which Bahar season? Options A. Ambi Bahar, B. Murik Bahar, C. Haste Bahar, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Murik Bahar. Question number 23. Which of the following fruit having highest fiber content? Options A. Fig, B. Jamun, C. Lockout, D. Anola. Correct answer A. Fig. Question number 24. Fig is a options A. Monoecious, B. Dioecious, C. Gynodioecious, D. Andromonaceous. Correct answer C. Gynodioecious. Question number 25. Which of the following variety of Anola suffer from severe fruit cracking disease? Options A. Banarasi, B. Francis, C. Kanchan, D. Chakia. Correct answer B. Francis. Question number 26. Which of the following fruit is known as fruit of New World? Options A. Avocado, B. Date palm, C. Persimmon, D. Fig. Correct answer A. Avocado. Question number 27. The horizontal branches of cocoa are called options A. Fan, B. Jorket, C. Chopin, D. A or B? Correct answer D. A or B. Question number 28. Goma Kirti is improved variety of options A. Fig, B. Jamun, C. Lockout, D. Burr. Correct answer D. Burr. Question number 29. Stripping is done in options A. Oil palm, B. Cocoa, C. Coconut, D. Arecanut. Correct answer A. Oil palm. Question number 30. The fruit drop is due to moisture stress and environmental condition. Options A. Early fruit drop, B. June drop, C. Pre-harvest fruit drop, D. None of them. Correct answer B. June drop. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous food tech quizzes, we have linked them down on the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy has started a course for 10th level prelims from December 2nd. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So join this 60 days course to get a successful result in your prelims exam. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. Also don't forget to download the Unacademy Learning app. Link is in the description.